Welcome back. Let's do question 1, 2, 3. The first 4 terms of pattern A and pattern B are shown in the table below. This is the table. Hence, determine the general formula for the pattern 0, -6, -20, -42. Simplify your answer as far as possible. So how can we get 0, -6, -20, -42 from pattern A and B? If we say pattern A minus pattern B, 1 minus 1, that's 0. 3 minus 9, that's -6. 5 minus 25, that's -20. 7 minus 49, that's -42. So now it means this pattern, we get it by saying pattern A minus pattern A minus pattern B. And then in the previous questions, we found that for pattern A, Tn is equal to 2n minus 1. And then for pattern B, we say Tn is equal to 2n minus 1 squared. So since we say this pattern, we get it from saying pattern A minus pattern B. So it's going to be Tn is equal to 2n minus 1 minus 2n minus 1 squared. And we can simplify that. It says we must simplify our answer. Tn is equal to 2n minus 1, then minus, this is a square binomial, so we square 2n, becomes 4n squared. Then say 2 times 2n times -1, that's -4n. And then we square the 1, so always positive 1, okay? Like I usually say, you can also, this part is 2n minus 1 squared. You can say 2n minus 1 times 2n minus 1. If you find the product of these two binomials, you will get this. If you distribute 2n times 2n is 4n squared, 2n times -1, 4n squared, 2n times -1, -2n, -1 times 2n, -2n, -1 times -1 is +1. See that? So we're getting 4n squared minus 4n plus 1, which is just this part here. Now let's simplify this. Tn is equal to 2n minus 1, and then -1 times 4n squared, -4n squared, -1 times -4n, +4n, -1 times +1, -1. Then we can simplify this. Tn is equal to -4n squared, then 2n plus 4n, that is +6n, then -1 minus 1, that's -2. So that's the final answer.